Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. Introduction. Having a reliable car battery tester is essential for every vehicle owner. It helps you gauge the health and performance of your car's battery, allowing you to detect potential issues and prevent unexpected breakdowns. With numerous options available on the market, it can be challenging to determine which car battery tester is the best for your needs. To help you make an informed decision, we have curated a list of the top 5 best car battery testers currently available. These testers have been selected based on their accuracy, ease of use, features, and overall customer satisfaction. Whether you are a professional mechanic or a D enthusiast, these car battery testers will provide you with the necessary information to keep your vehicle's battery in optimal condition. Let's dive into the details of these top-rated car battery testers to find the perfect one for you. Number 5. FOXSUR Car Battery Tester. The FOXSUR Car Battery Tester is an intelligent and compact device designed specifically for testing car batteries. Made with ABS flame retardant material, it ensures safety and durability. With a weight of just 325 grams, 0.72 pounds, and compact dimensions of 35 mm, 1.38 inch in height, 90 mm, 3.54 inch in width, and 150 mm, 5.9 inch in length, it is portable and easy to handle. One of the standout features of this battery tester is its intelligent functionality. It is capable of accurately analyzing and evaluating 12V 24V batteries, ranging from 4Ah to 200Ah. Additionally, it provides information on EDCCCA, equivalent discharge current cold cranking amps, in the range of 55A to 995A. Using the FOXSUR car battery tester is simple and user-friendly. By connecting it to the battery, you can quickly assess its health and performance. The clear and easy-to-read display allows you to view the results effortlessly. Number 4. KONNWEI KW208 Car Battery Tester. The KONNWEI KW208 Car Battery Tester is a reliable and user-friendly device that is designed to assess the health of your car battery. With its electronic functionality and compact plastic construction, it offers convenience and durability. Measuring 12 inches in height, 10 inches in width, and 10 inches in length, the KW208 is a portable battery tester that can be easily carried and stored in your vehicle. Its 12V voltage compatibility makes it suitable for most car batteries. One of the standout features of the KW208 is its multilingual support, with options available in English and German. This makes it accessible to a broader range of users, enhancing its usability. Additionally, the KW208 comes with a generous 3-year warranty, providing peace of mind and reassurance about the product's quality and durability. Number 3. Tuodapu Micro 200 PRO Car Battery Tester. The Tuodapu Micro 200 PRO Car Battery Tester is a compact and lightweight device designed for testing car, truck, and motorcycle batteries. With its electrical supplies, it provides accurate readings and valuable information about the battery's health. One of the standout features of this battery tester is its wide measurement range. It can accurately measure batteries ranging from 30Ah to 220Ah, making it suitable for various vehicle types and battery sizes. Additionally, its voltage measurement range of 7 to 30 VDC ensures compatibility with different battery systems. The Micro 200 PRO offers 3 essential functions. First, it serves as a reliable car battery tester, allowing you to quickly assess the condition of your vehicle's battery. Second, it extends its usability to trucks and motorcycles, making it a versatile tool for multiple vehicles. Lastly, it acts as a comprehensive battery system analyzer, specifically designed for 12V and 24V EFB and gel batteries. The device's low power consumption of 8W ensures efficient operation and long battery life. Moreover, its lightweight design, weighing only 0.3 kilograms, makes it highly portable, ideal for both professional mechanics and D enthusiasts. Number 2. KONNWEI KW650 Car Battery Tester. The KONNWEI KW650 Car Battery Tester is a versatile and reliable device designed to accurately test car batteries. With its input voltage range of 6 to 16V, it can handle various battery types. The product offers free online updates for its lifetime, ensuring that you always have the latest features and capabilities. One notable feature of the KW650 is its support for multiple languages, making it user-friendly for a wide range of users. The battery tester provides 3 essential functions: battery test, cranking test, and charging test. These functions allow you to assess the battery's overall condition, evaluate its cranking performance, and determine the effectiveness of the charging system. The KW650's compact design and ease of use make it a convenient tool for both professional mechanics and car owners. The device provides accurate and reliable results, enabling you to make informed decisions regarding your vehicle's battery health. Whether you want to check your battery's status before a long trip or troubleshoot battery-related issues, the KW650 offers a user-friendly solution. Number 1. KINGBOLEN BM550 Car Battery Tester. The KINGBOLEN BM550 Car Battery Tester is a versatile and reliable tool for testing various types of batteries. With its wide test range of 6V, 12V, 24V, it is suitable for motorcycles, cars, lawnmowers, golf carts, ATVs, trucks and boats. One of the standout features of the BM550 is its ability to support multiple battery types, including normal batteries, EFB batteries, AM flat batteries, AM spiral batteries, and gel batteries. This makes it suitable for a wide range of applications and ensures compatibility with different battery technologies. The BM550 offers multiple functions in one device, including SO, status of health, SOC, status of charge, R, internal resistance, and VOL, battery voltage tests. These tests provide valuable information about the condition and performance of the battery, allowing users to make informed decisions regarding maintenance or replacement. The compact design of the BM550, with dimensions of 4.88 x 2.74 x 0.89 inches, 124 x 69.6 x 22.6 millimeters, makes it portable and easy to handle. The 1.8-inch high-definition backlit screen ensures clear visibility of test results even in low light conditions. Safety features such as polarity reverse protection and overvoltage input protection provide peace of mind during testing, preventing potential damage to the device or battery. Thanks for watching this video.